Hey guys, AniCrunch here. We're back with the wonderful Stranger Things. So it's been a while since we reacted to this. Yeah, I thought I'd just get out of the way. The things I know about the season, I don't actually know too much, but things have been going on. I know Hopper's alive. I know he's in Russia. I don't know if that was a trailer spoil. That, to be fair, I just remember that being quite big. Talked about it. Other than that, I don't actually know too much because I know I've left it a while. So I think there's a scene with Max. I've heard everyone was going on about, but I don't actually know the context behind it. Other than that, yeah, that's all I know. So yeah, I look glad I didn't really get spoiled too much. And one of the bonuses, I don't really go on Twitter for TV shows. I'm not really part bigly into fandoms. So I'm curious though. Like I enjoyed the first 3 seasons. I think they were a lot of fun. I will admit they become a bit vague. That's why we're going to watch this little recap because it's been a while. I know I really enjoyed season 3. I think season 3 was definitely my favourite out of all the seasons. But yeah, no, I heard a good thing about this season, so I'm quite hyped. I'm still going to try and go in with not too high expectations. I have heard like the season's really fucking good, but I know what it's like when you go with high expectations, you're just going to disappoint yourself. So we'll watch this recap and we'll jump into the episode. So guys, if you enjoyed the action, leave a like, subscribe, check out the access and uncut. Let's jump into this. 3, 2, 1,
Hi, Jim.
the character in the glasses. I remember I cried. I was really sad when they killed him off. I enjoyed Billy's character. I remember enjoying him quite a lot. That was a nice little recap. That pretty much reminded me of everything. Mate, legit, just an ASMR opening. It's like the Woody scene from Toy Story. It's giving me so many Elvin Lead vibes right now. It literally is like Elvin Lead. Ambush painful.
But I don't know how he'll ever get to college because his car is still broken.
Like it just settles back in.
Funny friend Argyle.
I enjoyed the Slice of Life episodes.
His hair is longer than. I think we will have the best spring break ever.
Wow. Typical school. Well, respect the positivity in this situation.
30 seconds or I'm leaving without you. Okay, 30 seconds. Okay, I have to find my pants.
I forgot how much I love her. Nancy.
Running out of time here.
Just hold your horses, Dusty Bun.
Dusty Bun. I forgot. I actually generally forgot about this relationship. I forgot she was actually real.
You do realize that.
Well, maybe you need to listen to yourself. You ever think about that, Smarty Pants?
Hey, you don't listen to your own advice. That's terrible. You give it out with confidence and then have you take your own advice.
Your ego's a little bruised, but I asked out the wrong girl and bam, I'm a town pariah.
Okay, yeah, I'd buy that.
That's a
but,
good point.
Vicky is definitely not the wrong girl.
We just don't know that, do we?
She returned
You've got to be
half
sure.
time.
It's quite
Plus,
dangerous.
her
Very
boobs.
dangerous
Her
for
seconds.
then
You know
especially.
what
It's dangerous.
seconds?
It's not bad.
People who like boobies. Robin.
Is it it's legal in 2014 or 11?
Deal, okay?
In the United
I
States, some
boobies.
states.
You like boobies.
We all like
Vicky likes
boobies.
boobies.
Boobies. Yeah, ass man all the way, man. That guy's in shape.
Some crap school? No. For us to return home with our heads hung
How's he
down
linking
with
this to
feet?
fucking basketball?
No. Let's
He just used people's deaths to hype up the game.
You go on to play the next until there's only one team left.
Ooh, no D&D.
Please.
The teenage problems.
Wonderful, Angela. Truly wonderful. What an inspiring story. Okay, now let's see who has to follow that.
The poor 11. Oh, God. Oh,
Jane.
oh no. Oh, yeah, Jane. Yes, not called 11, is she? Oh, I'd hate doing these things. As a kid, it just do me in. As an adult, I could do them fine, but as a kid, fucking hell, I would have been terrified.
He saved lots of lives in a mall fire. He was a hero for people.
Oh,
And he was
smug little
my hero,
face.
too. That's not what I'm saying at all. But it's okay. Sorry, Mrs.
You're not the
Christie.
teacher, love.
You are correct. But Jane has decided to do her father. So
I wonder if you wanna.
continue with your presentation, Jane.
Teacher should have told her to pipe down. She okay? What did the guy do to her?
Nightmares.
Yeah, that's going to be very scarring for a kid.
Nope.
You can't really explain that either, Jesus.
Max.
Chrissy,
God.
did you hear me? Open the goddamn door, Chrissy. Open the door, Chrissy, or I'm gonna.
That was generally terrifying. Jesus Christ.
Psychology is concerned. Studies have linked violent behavior to the game.
It's just like video games. There was always something to blame.
Principal Higgins dead in the eye.
She's about to break into song.
We need you. And all you guys gotta do is get your Bo Peeps on and go and find one.
Where the hell have you been?
All of that to do with recruitment.
Friday from 1 to 3 on Fridays.
He has priorities. Does he keep his lunch? Oh, there. For somebody else.
You received a doll.
I've watched too many crime shows.
Yes.
The sound design is super low. Jesus.
Excellent work, Paul. Nice improvement. Very disappointing, Jane. Let's talk after break.
Why'd you call people out on grades in class? That triggers me. I just feel bad. I was trying to be so positive. That's. Fuck are you?
Holy shit! What the hell was that?
Not that using the powers would have been a good thing there. I thought you were going to go for a punch, but now I forget.
It was just an accident.
All right, Angela. You come with me.
What? Why?
Let's go.
I didn't do anything. Tell her, Jane. Tell her.
Shh, out that girl, Jesus Christ. At least teach you had some thingy there, Jesus Christ.
Name is Lady Applejack, and I'm a chaotic, good half-elf rogue level 14. And I will see
Their faces.
my way and stab them in the back with my poison-soaked kukri. And I'll smile as I watch them die a slow, agonizing death. So, we gonna do this? Or we gonna keep chit-chatting like this is your mommy's book?
Ooh, she's as savage as I remember.
Welcome to Hellfire.
I don't know which game's more. I know which game's more intense.
Vecna's dead. Killed by cat.
So it was thought, my friends. So it was thought. But Vecna lives.
Ah! I guess it's a really hard boss to take that. Oh, Jesus. Playing dirty.
You are scared. You're tired. You are injured. Do you flee, Vecna?
I want to stay in the Dungeons and Dragons game. I'm invested.
Stand your ground and fight.
Oh, Jackson, get a rebound. Get a rebound dunk. Never had enough points, actually. Oh no, he's over there. Oh, wait to get it. Would he get it? Oh, both siblings going to hit you. Oh, nice. Definitely the creepiest mind flayer we've had.
Time to wake up, okay? Hello, can you hear me? Wake up, Chrissy! Chrissy, wake up! I don't like this! Chrissy, wake up!
Imagine how life-changing this would be. This would happen to you. Oh, his design's cool.
Chrissy! 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 Chrissy, wake up now! Chrissy!
Don't cry, Chrissy. It's time for your suffering to end.
Chrissy!
Ooh, Chris is going to have a horrible death, isn't she? Oh, Jesus Christ, that ReZero. Oh, well, that was like watching ReZero again. Jesus. Fucking poor Chrissy. Jesus, I only known her for one episode. I felt bad for her. Chrissy deserved better. Jesus. Fuck hell. Fuck me. That was an interesting episode. Happy vibes and then just like fucking... no. Very good episode. Nice to ease into it. Got to see all the characters I've grown to care for. I really enjoyed D&D in the basketball match. I enjoyed the slice of life stuff before all the demon stuff starts. So it was some of my favourite episodes of the show. So I enjoyed that. Felt very sorry for Eleven this episode. Max, I'm very curious to see what they're going to do with her character arc. She definitely has the most interesting, the most, as I said, even this season. I was always a fan of Max. I just want to put that out there. And if you watch my reactions, I was a massive fan of Max. I remember when everyone hated her when I was watching her. Not hated her, but I remember she was quite disliked. I was always a big fan of Max. And I really look forward to see. I just like the sarcastic sort of attitude. So I look forward to see what they're going to do with her character, especially with that stuff going on. Lucas, I'm enjoying his arc as well. That's all growing, like going in different directions to where your friends are going. It does happen, but yeah, at the end of the day, his friends, he truly obviously cares for his friends. So I'm curious to see. And he was truly hurt seeing them do that campaign without him. So he still cared deeply. But he's always been the odd one out in the group. If like, it's not odd one out, just like the sort of like, he was always more on the outskirts quite a lot of the time in the group. So this sort of fits his character because it sort of set that out up in the earlier seasons. Didn't get enough Nancy, the queen, in this episode. I want more Nancy. She is the queen of the show. And yeah, no, overall, a very fantastic episode. Oh yeah, and I want to see more Steve and Dustin, my boys. I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, fantastic episode. I want to do a long review, but I am very tired of recording videos. And it is now 1 o'clock, 1 a.m. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Yeah, see you next one, guys. Peace.